Hello, my wonderful busy homemakers, and how are you today? I am Deb. You are in the office with Deb, and I am your home organizing and decluttering consultant. Today, I'm going to let you in on a secret. This is one of my favorite cleaning products. Now, I do have I'd say a good dozen cleaning products, and this is one of them. All natural. It doesn't have to, you can add chemicals if you want. That's up to you. I don't like to add chemicals to mine. I have allergies and stuff. So I'm gonna take you to we're gonna switch from talking about rugs. If you missed about us talking about rugs, go to the previous video and check that one out. Now we're on week 3 of our spring cleaning challenge, and we are getting down to the nitty gritty. If you pop on, say hello. I want to know who's here, what's going on. What are you spring cleaning? Are you almost done? Where are you? Because we've got, oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 days left, not even that, to get our spring cleaning done. Now, I don't remember if you remember what I said, but my spring cleaning goal was to open the windows on the first day of spring and to have 3 weeks of chores pretty much done. I achieved that goal. Yay! Thank God. And I like you, I added more chores to my list and got them done. And this one tool I'm going to show you is the tool that I like to use most often. Now, again, you know me. I have my products for a long time. I take good care of them. I try not to replace them unless they break. And you're not going to get the exact same thing I have, I don't think. I tried looking for it. I can't find it. But luckily, I don't need it. Now, I'm going to show it to you. And basically, it's a long stick. It's got a long handle. This is, I don't know if it's microfiber or what it is. I'm not sure. And it comes off. You pull it up, pull it off, put it in the washing machine. I dry mine. I put it in the dryer. I don't do anything special with it. I don't put it in a laundry bag. I don't let it air dry by itself. Now you're like, okay. Some of you are like, okay, what do you do with that thing? Besides, have a wiggle game with it. That's the fun part. That's kind of fun. If you're stressed, I would say, wiggle it. It's a good de-stressor. It's about 12, 24, maybe 36 inches long. This has come in so handy, especially if you got pets. Oh, you people with pets, with the dogs and the cats and all that fur. All I do is bend down, stick this under the refrigerator. It goes right under, and I get all the pet hair on the end normally, and I end up throwing that in the garbage can. Turn it over, stick it under the refrigerator again, get the rest. Then I shake it over the garbage can and get all that excess dirt off. And voila. Now you can even take off this. When you take this off, if you want, you're like, that's the dry brushing part. Now you can wet this. Okay, I would take this off, stick it in the bucket of water, wring it out, put it back on. Now, for places that are dirtier, like for my house, it's under the washing machine. For some reason, to me, it looks like grease, but maybe it's dirt, filthy mud bill. I don't know what it is, but in all defense, that's where everybody's in and out of the house, the mud, everything. They gotta, you basically gotta come through the laundry room. So now when I stick this under here, I want it wet. Or I'll dry brush it first, and then I'll wet it, and I'll stick it under the washing machine, oh, it gets filthy. Actually, I'm surprised it's this clean right now, that I got it this clean in the washer. Now, they have a bunch of them like this. Some of them are steel pole. Some of them are a lot longer. This is plastic. This is not steel. This comes off. This is washable. It's great. I don't know about you, but I don't want to be moving appliances all the time. I seriously don't. When I want to clean, I want to go under there. I want to get all that pet fur out of there. Get it out. Get it done. Stick the over the garbage can and be done with it. And then I pull it off, and I'm sitting there walking to the laundry bag with the dry one and going, ugh, putting it in the laundry hamper, I should say. But man, what a difference. Now, I'm going to try it out of curiosity under my one cabinet here. See if I pull up any dust or anything. I'm curious on that. I don't remember when last time I did that. You know what? You could even cheat. Just a little pet fur. This room's pretty clean, so I don't think I'm going to get too much. Yeah, I didn't get much of all I got is some real little fur that you can barely even see. Yeah, because this room's pretty clean. I'm going to be putting the link to this underneath the video when I get a chance, but this is another one of the cleaning tools I recommend. Now, this doesn't have like a hook on it where you can hang it up, but I've got mine standing up in the corner in the closet. It stands up like this, and I shove it in the closet, and it fits perfectly. This you could even hide under the bed. You could hide it behind a dresser. Nobody would ever know. But I know a lot of you have medical conditions, and some of you have back problems. You're older, you're not as flexible, whatever it is. I don't want to be moving furniture because I know I get back problems every so often. So to be able to take this and just stick it underneath the appliance, you ladies, you can even use this for on the hardwood floors, like underneath your bed, underneath your dresser in there. It doesn't have to necessarily be under just appliances. So, now, don't forget, end of the month, 7 more days. Monday, we're going to go ahead and give you the last chores for the month. Woo! The last chores. And it's not quite going to be as extensive as this week was. I think this week was a little extensive especially if you don't have a rug shampoo and you got to get your rugs washed, the wall and stuff. We will be ending the month with that coming up on Monday. Coming up March 31st, that special rate for you guys goes away. For those of you that want the decluttering and the home organizing and the consulting about the cleaning so that you can get all my tips and tricks, and then there's even the bonus with it for the assessment. Whew, yeah, that is a doozy itself. You're going to find stuff about yourself that you didn't even realize you knew. It's like, wow, I didn't know that. And we're going to get you organized, believe me. Okay, ladies, I'll be dropping the link to this in the thing. I will see you in the group. If you're good, if you want to, it's basically an under appliance cleaner, just so you know. I will see you in the group. #replay. Let me know if you have any questions about it. I will see you in the group, and happy spring cleaning, ladies. Thank you for being here.